application, first we try to run the backend, then after we go for front end. So for that, first we try to run the MDM module, then we go for pricing, then we go for orders, then finally we go for an API gateway. So now, yeah, the backend starts to run. So here if we take a look of the every properties application dot property or property files in each of the module, we can see that this MDM is running in wait a minute. Okay, yeah, this particular MDM modules run in 8081 port. Then after this pricing ran in the port of 8082. Then after the order ran in 8083. Then API gateway ran in 8080. So here, since it's a microservice architecture, so each module is a standalone Spring Boot project. So here this MDM is a strong standalone Spring Boot project, and then this pricing is a standalone project, and then the order is also standalone project. So this API gateway is also standalone project as well. So each module ran in a separate port. So here in my case it's 81, 82, 83, and API gateway is 8080. So now we try to run the front end to start the application. So for front end, I choose Angular. So mostly the front end will run in 4200 port by default. Yeah, so we need to check that whether it is running or not. Yeah, right now everything is working, but yeah, exactly, everything is working. So as soon as we open this application, this is a view that we get from this platform, that is an activity flow. So here we can see the dashboard. By default it's navigate to the dashboard. In dashboard, the information that we are going to see is securities, then how many stocks is in active or inactive, and then how many priced we have, and what is an average changes of this entire stock in sum up. So these are all the informations we can see in this particular dashboard. And at the same time, if we want to see the detailed states about some specific particular stocks, then we need to click that one. So for that, for example, if I click this one, American Tower Corporation, so once we click that, we can see the detailed view of this candle chart here. So candle chart, we can see 1 hour before, 1 day before, so we can see this kind of informations as well. So here we can see the detailed informations about the respective stocks and securities. Then after, if we try to move to the next page, it is a securities. So here in the security, we can see the detailed informations about the stocks, like what is the QZIP ID, what is the symbol of the stock, what is the company name, what is the exchange it's going to be exchange, what exchange is going to be in trade. For example, it's a New York Stock Exchange, or it's NASDAQ, or it's sometimes an American Stock Exchange is also there, and London Stock Exchange is also there. So, and the type of the stock, it is an equity or stock or mutual fund, whatever it is, and the status of the stock, whether it is an active or inactive. So these informations we can see in the securities particular securities page. And then in pricing, we can see the detailed pricing of the stock along with the timestamp as well. So these are all the informations we are seeing that we are going to provide for the user in this particular pricing page. So here in this pricing page, we have Boeing, Wells Fargo. In Wells Fargo, we can see the timestamp and the price of the particular stock, and what type of pricing category it is, whether it is a market price or closed price, like this kind of things. And then in ordering section, this is one of the important section, because the main the intention of building this application to let the user to buy and sell the stocks, right? So here we have an option to buy and sell the stocks. For example, as I already have one user called user2, so here in that case, I make the user to buy a stocks of Microsoft Corporation in that case, or else we go for yeah, whatever, we go for Fidelity itself. So here in Fidelity, I purchase something like 100 shares or something. So I try to buy 100 shares, 90 or 97 shares from Fidelity Investments of this user. So right now the user is going to buy Fidelity in 97 stocks, and I can make an order. So the order history is also shown on the right side of the particular place ordered block. So we can see the detailed informations that the transaction ID is 18, and the side is buy or sell, the type of purchase, and the QCP ID for Fidelity Investments, and the quantity that we buy the stocks is 97, and the price is $118, and status is executed, and the user ID is U002. Now we can check the portfolio as well of any user. So in that case we can check the portfolio of user 2 and check whether the purchase will be made or not. So here is a page, we needs to enter the user ID U002. So in that case we can see how many holdings the user is having. The user is having 3 holdings. One is a Meta, another one is a Fidelity, and another one is a Microsoft. So here this Fidelity, the purchase that we have done recently, this is also stored here, like 97 we have buy. So these are all the informations that we have provided for the user. We let the user to buy and sell stock. We see the user price as well, and security as well. We provide one standalone dashboard also for user, and also we let the user to see the stocks in a detailed way, like we provide some bar, this kind of candle charts as well, and also we let the user to manage the portfolios as well. So these are all the informations we are provided in this application.